Hi guys, in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can add Stripe or how you can connect Stripe to your Wix website so that you can start receiving payments to your Stripe account. Now, a lot of people want to use Stripe because it's safe. Okay, it's like the transaction fee is lower compared to other payment providers. That's exactly why a lot of people use Stripe. Okay, especially on Shopify. Now, I'm going to show you guys first how you can connect Stripe to your Wix website. Now, before we start, I would highly appreciate dropping a like on this video. Okay, so what you guys need to do is you want to log in into your Wix account. Okay, so then you want to choose which website you want to add Stripe to. So for example, I would like to add Stripe to this website. Just move your mouse to the website and click on edit, select and edit site. Now after you are here, then what you guys need to do next, after you are on the dashboard of your site, you want to scroll down a little bit. Okay, just scroll down here and then click on settings. Now after guys you click on settings, first before you click on anything, go to Google and see if Stripe is available in your country. Don't worry if it's not available. I'm going to be showing you a solution which not going to be helpful to a lot of people if Stripe is not available in your country. Now just search for Stripe on Google, available countries Wix. Okay, now these are countries where you can use Stripe, including Spain, United Kingdom, United States, and more. Now I'm going to be showing you all these countries. Now after you are on the settings of your site, as you can see, scroll down at the scroll down just a little bit. Actually it's in the top here, as you can see, where you can see accept payments. As you can see, choose the way you get paid by customers, click on it, accept payments. All right, now after you are here, for example, if you live in Morocco, as you can see, you will not be able to see Stripe here. You can only see PayPal. Okay, you can connect your PayPal to access payments. You can connect that, or manual payments. If you click here on see more payment options, you will see two other more, but you will not be able to see Stripe if it's not available in your country. Now I'm going to go back, and as you can see, it says here your business location. Now for example, if I change this business location to United States, as you can see, I'm going to click on choose, and as you can see now I will be able to see Stripe. Okay, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on see more payments option, and I'm going to be able to see Stripe. As you can see, just keep scrolling, click on see options, and as you can see, Stripe connect to accept credit card, debit card, and this is Stripe. As you can see, just need to click on connect and connect your account. That's it. Supports also recurring payments, like if you like customers pay each month, this will help you. Now as you can see, fees are very depending on your business location. Now like if you don't live in United States, okay, and you change it to United States, now you can see here Stripe, but you will not be able to create an account on Stripe because they are going to ask you guys for address that is like they will ask you all the information. This should be in based on your location. Okay, they will ask you for a real name. If you select, for example, in United States, they will ask you guys for SSN, which is a very special number, only like USA people have it. So if you just lie about it and you try to click on connect, they will ask you guys for your USA citizens, like they will ask you for your SSN, your address, your proof like that you live in that address, your ID. Now what you guys need to do, if you don't live in United States, you just need to click to create an LLC. Okay, when you create an LLC, then you will be able to be like, they will provide you guys with all the information to connect your Stripe, to connect Stripe to your Wix, even if you live outside of the United States. Now if you click here on connect, it will, and then click on here, it says if you don't have an account on Stripe, click here, it says create a Stripe account. Okay, now if you already have it, scroll down and click on connect. Now it will take you guys directly to your Stripe, and then you want to enter here your email address, okay, you used to log in into your Stripe, assuming you already created an account on Stripe. If you haven't done that already, just search for stripe.com and then create an account on Stripe. You will ask you guys for information, create an account on Stripe, and after that you just need to connect it easily, guys, to your Wix. Now if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video. Hopefully this one helped you. If you have any questions, like I said, comment below and drop a like, and see you guys next video.